A man whose job was to protect children from abuse or neglect now finds himself in custody, charged with falsifying information and tampering evidence.
The former DCS caseworker was arrested this morning. News Channel 5's Jonquil Newland spoke with the district attorney about what this caseworker did and did not do. She joins us in the studio with details new at 6.
Good evening. Authorities began their investigation about a month ago after stumbling upon these allegations while responding to another call at the same home of a child this caseworker was assigned to. He once held a job that provided assistance and help for children in abusive or neglectful homes as a caseworker for the Department of Children's Services. But today, 32-year-old Christopher Rose is sitting behind cell walls in the Giles County Jail, charged with 3 counts of tampering with evidence and falsifying information and 3 counts of official misconduct.
These kids rely on this agency to protect them.
District Attorney Brent Cooper said investigators spent about a month going through Rose's case files. What they found, he describes as tragic.
Mr. Rose actually witnessed a forensic interview of a child that was alleging that they'd been abused. Mr. Rose reported in his file that the child did not disclose any abuse. Based on that, law enforcement took no action.
A videotape of that interview proved otherwise.
The child did, in fact, disclose abuse.
In another case, Rose visited a home with reported deplorable conditions and physical abuse. His case files show he visited the home and found nothing was wrong.
We've confirmed that no such home visit ever occurred.
Lastly, Rose is accused of reporting possible sexual abuse after an interview with a child, but investigators found that interview never took place.
When you actually just neglect your job and your duties, when those duties are protecting children, then there's no way that that's going to be a good situation.
Currently, investigators do not have a motive or know why Rose reported false claims and didn't act on others. But the cases involved in this investigation were assigned new caseworkers.
DCS caseworkers are, by and large, are very hard-working people, and they have a very tough job to do.
Help will be there for the children that slipped through the cracks.
Because of Mr. Rose's actions, they weren't being protected.
Rose will be arraigned in Giles County Court on Monday. His bond is set at $150,000.